Hello and welcome. This is SaltyPacks, and today we have a little bit more of a different video, special video, if you will. This is the KTF special, Kona Towns Finest special. These packs have been supplied by none other than Kona Towns Finest.
The finest in Kona, baby.
The finest in Kona, baby.
Let's go.
They will be playing with Rebel Soldiers in Hilo
On the 13th.
on the 13th
In the Ida
of
Karakole.
June.
You better come down.
Yes, sir. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I passed second grade.
That was very pleasant.
We will be, myself and Abe, will be flipping the Diancie coin. Black Diancie heads, tails. To see who opens what pack.
You have heads. I have
Okay,
tails.
right there. Oh, and it's black.
That's my good luck pretzel.
Yes, half eaten, straight out of Walmart.
Is there like a science to this? The way I'm supposed to.
This set, you pretty much just flip it over and pull.
How do I know if it's good?
If it's shiny and sparkly and makes you feel the glitter inside of your soul.
Snubble. But you better tell me if there's something good, bro.
Reverse. Oh, and the rest ram.
The good one?
No. Huh. You again.
Try to make this fast, bro. Sorry.
Nah, you good. I'm gonna speed it up anyway.
It's the one.
That's the one.
I feel it. It's the one, bro.
Oh. Sandile. Swinub. Low Tad. Mammal Swine.
Oh, this one is sick.
Miloetta. Sacred Charm. Reverse Oddish in the feet. Paid.
Yeah.
Smeargle. And an A-Bomb.
A bomb.
Flip them again. Hook. Yeah.
Yes.
We got a Beetle.
So the black Charizard, I guarantee.
Well, this one repped really easily. Krok krok. Lombre. Trapinch. Zigzagoon. Meloetta. Jumbo Ice Cream. Gliscor. Oddish with the feet again. Mimikyu. Ooh. Lawrence card. And a Genesect. Gosh dang it. Maybe one day, but like right now, no.
Damn, son.
It likes you.
I was trying to land it on your side, but I think you get the luck.
I don't know about that. There's a ratio to booster boxes usually, but sometimes they're better, sometimes they're worse.
Ghastly, Nimble, Little Swine, Bolton,
With the Pwet.
Oh, Flame Breeder, Bramble Gas,
The Building.
Arcalon.
Oh,
One fucking Moltres.
Another Mimikyu.
Another
Bro,
Mimikyu.
what is happening?
You know why? It's waiting on you to flip that coin on your side so we can get it.
Yeah.
That's the one.
That's the one.
I just put it in the stars. You see that?
Ooh, with the Baneri. Piloswine. Bolton. Sandile. Charmander. Linoon. Battle Cage. Ludicolo. Reverse Hollow Palmon. That's kind of a cool Palmon. It's doing the
Okay, I think I gave it a little bit.
Blowtorch. Oh, and a Hollow Palmon.
Oh, that was the flip.
Hit the phone.
That was the flip.
Bro, that was magical. Ha! Dugong. This is one of Jess's favorite Pokemon. Bunnery. Darumaka. Yeah. Milcery. Gliscor. Ramsey's move. Mammal Swine. Oh, we got a fish. Reverse Hollow. Reverse Hollow Building. Oh, bro, are we? We are 0 for 6 right now. There has to be some heat. There has to be some heat coming up.
It's in there. It's just at the bottom. It's for Kona Towns Finest, baby. It didn't land on the camera.
No, it's on.
It is?
Yeah, just barely. Seal, Palmo, Jigglypuff. Ooh, nice Jigglypuff. Gloom, Bronzong, Darmanitan, Tors, Palmo, reverse, Fire Breather reverse, and a Flygon. Dang.
Stay right there, bro. I got you.
Is black.
That was actually perfect.
There was a lot of love for Tauros and they wanted an evolution, so they gave him 3. They gave him a fire, a water, and I think...
Bro, what happens if we pull the Charizard?
Then, fuck,
What do people normally
make a
do?
necklace, dude.
What do people normally
Drop that
do in
thing
those
on the table.
situations?
What? The fish. Oh, the lizard. Momo, mo, mo.
Oh.
Oh, you got a Rotom full art. Let's go. We got one.
We got one, baby. We got one.
That's a sick one, though. I've never seen that card.
Yes!
I don't know how much it is, but we'll find out. Black again.
Rototom is one of the festivals in Spain that we tried to get on. Maybe that's why I got that one. That's a chase card.
Yeah.
This is the one, boy. This is the one. We get Bolton Farms. Baneri.
I always get that card. Haunter out the TV.
Oh. Yampa.
Full torch. Oh, and an EX.
I don't know what that is.
Double KTF pulls right here.
Double KTF pulls. Flip them. Flip the thing.
Oh. We ended off with a Salty Packer. Salty Packer.
That's where good luck can come in.
The bottom 3 having hits would be crazy.
Is that the last one?
Yeah.
That's the one then.
Gloom, Dugong, Jigglypuff, Darumaka, Ceruledge, Fire Breather, Honchkrow, Reverse, Palmo, Togedemaru, and a Reshiram. Bango Ango. For the fun. Yeah. That's where it is. Like Jinx, Lyra, Seal, Water, Reggae, Frozen Infringement, Reverse Superior, Reverse Blade, Left Away, Snap. What? Let's clean this up. Okay. Out of 9 packs?
10.
10 packs. Out of 10 packs, we got 2 hits. Honestly, not the greatest pull rate, but this Rotom card, pretty sick, pretty insane. I'm not too sure what the comp is on this. Maybe I should be more excited. Maybe I should be less excited, but really nice card. Let me get this in a sleeve. Nice.
I get a weird smell.
Okay. This has been Salty Packs. That has been KTF. Check out their show with Rebel Soldiers, Hilo, on the 13th of June this year, 2026. Yes, sir. Yeah.
Say boom, shut up, music live and direct. Fire burning, yes, your #1 connect. Send me now if you know threats. Going.
But two black stars, 2 gold stars. This is a SIR. Heck yeah. I think it's worth about $20. I just made the comp. Sick.
Do their life, they neglect. Live it, feel. Them I try to overstep. But I'm a go